Bid to Win CPQ Online Training. Introduction to Bid to Win CPQ. 1. Introduction. Bid to Win CPQ is a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline the sales process by automating the configuration, pricing, and quoting of complex products and services. It aims to improve sales efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance customer satisfaction through a user-friendly interface and advanced features. 2. Key features. Product configuration. Bid to Win CPQ provides a robust product configuration engine that allows users to configure complex products and services according to specific customer requirements. It supports various configuration rules and constraints to ensure that only valid configurations are possible. Pricing management. The platform enables dynamic pricing based on predefined rules, discounts, and pricing structures. It ensures accurate pricing by taking into account factors such as product options, quantities, and regional variations. Quote generation. Bid to Win CPQ automates the creation of professional and accurate quotes. It generates detailed quotes with pricing, terms, and product configurations, and can integrate with various CRM and ERP systems to streamline the quoting process. Workflow automation. The solution offers workflow automation features to streamline approval processes, ensure compliance with pricing guidelines, and manage sales workflows efficiently. Analytics and reporting. Bid to Win CPQ provides analytical tools and reporting capabilities to track sales performance, identify trends, and gain insights into the quoting process. This helps organizations make data-driven decisions and optimize their sales strategies. Integration capabilities. It integrates with various CRM, ERP, and other business systems to ensure seamless data flow and synchronization across different platforms. This integration enhances efficiency and reduces manual data entry. User experience. The platform is designed with a focus on user experience, offering an intuitive interface and easy navigation. This makes it accessible for sales teams and end users, even those with limited technical knowledge. 3. Benefits. Increased efficiency. By automating the configuration, pricing, and quoting processes, Bid to Win CPQ reduces manual effort and speeds up the sales cycle. Enhanced accuracy. The system minimizes errors by enforcing configuration rules and providing accurate pricing, leading to fewer discrepancies and rework. Improved sales performance. With features like guided selling and automated workflows, sales teams can focus on closing deals rather than administrative tasks, resulting in increased sales productivity. Better customer experience. The ability to generate accurate and professional quotes quickly improves customer satisfaction and helps in building stronger relationships. 4. Use cases. Manufacturing. For manufacturers with complex product configurations and pricing structures, Bid to Win CPQ helps streamline the quoting process and manage configurations effectively. Telecommunications. In telecom industries where bundles and service plans are complex, the platform aids in configuring and pricing telecom services accurately. Software solutions. For software companies with customizable software packages and licensing options, Bid to Win CPQ supports configuration and pricing management. 5. Getting started. To implement Bid to Win CPQ, Organizations typically start with a thorough analysis of their sales processes and requirements. They then configure the system according to their specific needs, integrate it with existing systems, and train their sales teams to use the platform effectively. Key features and benefits of Bid to Win CPQ. Bid to Win CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote, is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline the sales process and improve accuracy in pricing and quoting. Here are some of the key features and benefits of Bid to Win CPQ. Key features: Product configuration. Customizable configuration allows users to configure complex products with multiple options and dependencies, ensuring that configurations meet business rules and customer requirements. Visual product configuration provides visual tools for users to see how their configurations will look, enhancing user experience and reducing errors. Pricing management. Dynamic pricing supports flexible pricing models, including discounts, promotions, and price adjustments based on customer segments or purchase volume. Price rules and validation ensures that pricing is accurate and compliant with company policies through rule-based validations. Quote generation. Automated quoting generates accurate quotes quickly by pulling information from product configurations and pricing rules. Customizable templates offers customizable quote templates to match branding and communication standards. Integration capabilities. CRM integration integrates seamlessly with CRM systems like Salesforce, ensuring that sales data is synchronized and accessible across platforms. ERP integration connects with ERP systems to streamline order processing and inventory management. Sales analytics and reporting. Performance metrics provides insights into sales performance, product configurations, and pricing strategies through comprehensive reporting tools. Real-time data allows sales teams to make informed decisions based on up-to-date information. User interface. Intuitive design features an easy-to-use interface that simplifies the configuration and quoting process, reducing the learning curve for new users. Mobile accessibility offers mobile-friendly options for sales teams to access the CPQ system on the go. Benefits. Increased accuracy. Error reduction minimizes manual errors in configuration and pricing, leading to more accurate quotes and fewer revisions. Compliance ensures that all configurations and pricing adhere to company policies and pricing rules. Enhanced sales efficiency. Faster quote generation speeds up the quoting process, allowing sales teams to respond to customer inquiries more quickly. Streamlined processes automates repetitive tasks, freeing up time for sales reps to focus on higher value activities. Improved customer experience. Personalized configurations enables tailored product configurations that meet individual customer needs, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Clear communication provides professional, accurate quotes that enhance customer trust and confidence. Data-driven insights. Informed decision-making provides valuable analytics and reporting to help sales managers make data-driven decisions and optimize sales strategies. Overview of CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote, Concepts. CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote is a business software solution designed to help companies streamline the sales process by automating the configuration of complex products or services, pricing them accurately, and generating quotes efficiently. Here's a broad overview of CPQ concepts. 1. Configure. Definition. Configuration involves selecting and customizing product options to meet specific customer needs or requirements. Key concepts. Product customization allows users to select different features, options, or add-ons to tailor products or services. Rules engine ensures that selected configurations adhere to business rules and compatibility constraints. This helps prevent errors and inconsistencies. Guided selling provides sales representatives or customers with a step-by-step process to configure products, ensuring all requirements are met. 2. Price. Definition. Pricing involves calculating the correct price based on the configured options and any applicable discounts, taxes, or additional charges. Key concepts. Pricing rules includes discount structures, tiered pricing, or special pricing conditions based on customer segments or purchase volumes. Price management ensures that pricing is consistent with company policies and up to date with market changes. Discounting manages discounts, promotions, and special offers effectively to enhance competitiveness and profitability. 3. Quote. Definition. Quoting involves generating a detailed and accurate proposal that outlines the configured product or service, the pricing, and the terms of sale. Key concepts. Quote generation automates the creation of quotes, including product details, pricing, terms, and conditions. Document management produces professional and customizable quote documents, such as PDFs or Word documents. Approval workflows integrates approval processes to ensure that quotes meet internal standards before being sent to customers. Benefits of CPQ. Increased efficiency streamlines the sales process by reducing manual tasks and errors, leading to faster quote turnaround times. Improved accuracy ensures that pricing and configurations are accurate and consistent, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Enhanced customer experience provides a smoother and more responsive purchasing experience for customers, leading to higher satisfaction and conversion rates. Better sales performance empowers sales teams with tools and insights to close deals more effectively and increase revenue. Integration and implementation. CRM integration. CPQ systems often integrate with customer relationship management (CRM) systems to leverage customer data and improve sales processes. ERP integration integrates with enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems to ensure consistency between sales orders and inventory or financial data. Customization and scalability. CPQ solutions can be tailored to specific business needs and scaled as the organization grows. How Bid2Win CPQ streamlines sales processes. Bid2Win CPQ configure, price, quote, streamlines sales processes through several key features and functionalities. Automated configuration. Bid2Win CPQ allows sales teams to quickly configure complex products or services according to customer requirements. It uses predefined rules and logic to ensure configurations are valid, reducing errors and manual calculations. Dynamic pricing. The system automates pricing based on product configurations, discounts, and promotions. It ensures accurate and up-to-date pricing, helping sales reps offer competitive quotes and avoid margin erosion. Streamlined quoting. Bid2Win CPQ generates professional, accurate quotes and proposals in real time. This includes customizing templates and ensuring all necessary details are included, which speeds up the quote-to-cash process. Integration with CRM and ERP. It integrates seamlessly with CRM systems like Salesforce and ERP systems, ensuring that sales data is consistent and up-to-date across platforms. This integration helps in maintaining a single source of truth and reduces the need for duplicate data entry. Approval workflows. The platform includes automated approval workflows for quotes and configurations. This ensures that any quotes or configurations requiring managerial or financial approval are routed appropriately, reducing delays and administrative overhead. Analytics and reporting. Bid2Win CPQ provides insights into sales performance, pricing strategies, and configuration trends. These analytics help sales teams understand their performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize their strategies. User-friendly interface. The system is designed with an intuitive user interface that simplifies the configuration and quoting process for sales reps. This reduces the learning curve and increases productivity. Mobile accessibility. Sales teams can access Bid2Win CPQ from mobile devices, allowing them to configure products, generate quotes, and manage sales processes on the go. This enhances flexibility and responsiveness. Customization and flexibility in Bid2Win CPQ. Bid2Win CPQ, configure, price, quote, offers a range of customization and flexibility features designed to accommodate various business needs. Here's a detailed look at its customization capabilities. 1. Product configuration. Rules and logic. Bid2Win CPQ allows you to define complex configuration rules and logic to guide users through the configuration process. You can set up rules based on product dependencies, compatibility, and other factors. Customizable product catalog. Users can tailor the product catalog to reflect their specific offerings. This includes configuring product attributes, options, and bundles. 2. Pricing flexibility. Dynamic pricing models supports various pricing models, including tiered pricing, volume-based pricing, and discounts. You can create custom pricing rules based on different criteria. Currency and tax management handles multiple currencies and tax calculations based on geographical regions, providing flexibility for global operations. 3. Quoting and proposal generation. Template customization. Users can design and customize quote and proposal templates to match their branding and include specific information. This includes adding custom fields, logos, and legal disclaimers. Automated document generation automates the generation of quotes and proposals, ensuring consistency and accuracy while saving time. 4. Integration capabilities. CRM integration integrates with CRM systems like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics to streamline data flow and ensure seamless access to customer information. ERP integration connects with ERP systems to synchronize product data, pricing information, and inventory levels. 5. User interface customization. Custom layouts and views allows customization of user interfaces to fit specific workflows and user preferences. You can adjust layouts, design elements, and navigation. Role-based access provides role-based access control, ensuring that different users see and interact with only the information relevant to their role. 6. Workflow automation. Custom workflows create and manage custom workflows for approval processes, pricing adjustments, and other business rules. Automated notifications set up automated notifications and alerts to keep users informed of important changes and approvals. 7. Reporting and analytics. Custom reports design custom reports and dashboards to monitor sales performance, track quote conversion rates, and analyze pricing strategies. Data integration integrates with data analytics tools to provide deeper insights and facilitate data-driven decision-making. 8. Scalability. Modular architecture. Bit2Win CPQ's modular design allows businesses to scale the system as needed, adding or modifying features based on evolving requirements. 9. Localization. Multilingual support provides support for multiple languages and regional settings, making it adaptable for international operations. 10. User training and support. Custom training programs offers tailored training programs to help users get the most out of the system based on their specific needs and use cases. Support and maintenance provides ongoing support and maintenance to address any customization issues and ensure system reliability. Data management and analytics in Bit2Win CPQ. Bit2Win CPQ Configure, Price, Quote is a tool designed to streamline the sales process by automating configuration, pricing, and quoting. While its primary focus is on improving the efficiency of sales processes, effective data management and analytics are crucial for maximizing its benefits. Here's how data management and analytics can be applied in Bit2Win CPQ. Data management. Configuration data. Centralized storage. Maintain a centralized repository for product configurations, pricing rules, and discounts. Consistency. Ensure that data across various configurations is consistent and up-to-date to avoid errors in quotes and pricing. Integration with CRM, ERP. Seamless data flow. Integrate with CRM, customer relationship management, and ERP, enterprise resource planning, systems to pull customer data, historical sales data, and inventory levels. Synchronization. Regularly synchronize data to ensure real-time accuracy in configurations and pricing. Data quality. Validation rules. Implement validation rules to ensure that the data entered into the system is accurate and complete. Regular audits. Conduct regular audits of data to identify and rectify inconsistencies or outdated information. User access and security. Role-based access. Set up role-based access controls to ensure that users have appropriate access to data based on their role in the organization. Data security. Implement security measures to protect sensitive pricing and customer data from unauthorized access. Analytics. Sales performance. Reporting. Generate reports on sales performance, including metrics like conversion rates, average deal size, and sales cycle length. Dashboards. Use dashboards to provide real-time insights into sales activities and performance trends. Pricing optimization. Trend analysis. Analyze historical pricing data to identify trends and adjust pricing strategies accordingly. Predictive analytics. Use predictive analytics to forecast demand and adjust pricing or discounts to maximize profitability. Customer insights. Segmentation. Segment customers based on their purchasing behavior, preferences, and feedback to tailor quotes and offers. Behavior analysis. Analyze customer interactions with the CPQ tool to understand their preferences and improve the quoting process. Efficiency metrics. Process improvement. Track metrics such as quote turnaround time and error rates to identify areas for process improvement. User activity. Monitor user activity within the CPQ system to ensure optimal use and identify training needs. Scenario analysis. What-if scenarios. Run what-if scenarios to evaluate the impact of different pricing strategies or configuration options on sales and profitability. Case studies. Success stories with Bid to Win CPQ. Bid to Win CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote, is designed to streamline the sales process by automating the configuration, pricing, and quoting of complex products and services. Here are some notable success stories showcasing how companies have benefited from implementing Bid to Win CPQ. 1. Global technology provider. Challenge. The company struggled with slow and error-prone quoting processes, leading to delays in closing deals and inconsistent pricing. Solution. Bid to Win CPQ was implemented to automate the configuration of complex product bundles, apply accurate pricing rules, and generate quotes efficiently. Outcome. The company saw a 50% reduction in quote turnaround time and a significant decrease in pricing errors. This led to faster deal closures and improved customer satisfaction. 2. Telecommunications firm. Challenge. The firm faced challenges with managing diverse product offerings and complex discount structures, which made the quoting process cumbersome and prone to errors. Solution. Bid to Win CPQ was integrated to handle complex product configurations and apply custom pricing rules based on customer segments. Outcome. The firm improved quoting accuracy by 40% and increased sales team productivity by 30%. The streamlined process also enhanced the customer experience by providing faster and more accurate quotes. 3. Manufacturing company. Challenge. The company's manual quoting process resulted in long lead times and frequent miscommunications between the sales and production teams. Solution. Bid to Win CPQ automated the quoting process, including the generation of product configurations and integration with the company's ERP system for real-time pricing and inventory updates. Outcome. The company reduced quote preparation time by 60% and improved alignment between sales and production teams. This led to a quicker response to customer inquiries and more efficient order fulfillment. 4. Healthcare solutions provider. Challenge. The provider needed to offer customized solutions with precise pricing and compliance with regulatory requirements. Solution. Bid to Win CPQ was used to configure healthcare solutions based on specific customer needs, apply relevant pricing rules, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Outcome: the provider achieved a 70% reduction in quoting time and enhanced compliance with regulatory requirements. The solution also improved sales team efficiency and accuracy in meeting customer requirements. 5. Financial services firm. Challenge: the firm struggled with managing complex pricing models and generating accurate quotes for financial products and services. Solution: Bid2Win CPQ was implemented to automate the configuration of financial products, apply pricing models, and generate quotes with built-in compliance checks. Outcome: the firm experienced a 50% increase in quoting efficiency and a 20% increase in revenue due to improved accuracy in pricing and faster deal closures. Bid2Win CPQ and CRM integration. Integrating Bid2Win CPQ, configure, price, quote, with CRM, customer relationship management, systems involves several steps to ensure seamless data flow and process alignment between the two systems. Here's a general approach to achieve this integration. 1. Define integration objectives. Data synchronization. Determine what data needs to be synchronized between Bid2Win CPQ and CRM, such as customer information, quotes, orders, and pricing details. Process alignment. Ensure that the sales and quoting processes in Bid2Win CPQ align with the CRM workflows. 2. Choose integration method. API integration. Use APIs provided by Bid2Win CPQ and your CRM system to enable real-time data exchange. Check if both systems offer REST or SOAP APIs. Middleware integration platforms. Utilize middleware or integration platforms like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, or Zapier if direct API integration is not feasible. 3. Map data fields. Field mapping. Map fields between Bid2Win CPQ and the CRM system to ensure that data is accurately transferred and updated. For example, ensure that customer information in the CRM corresponds to customer details in Bid2Win CPQ. Data transformation. Implement data transformation rules if necessary to match data formats between the two systems. 4. Implement integration. API configuration. Configure API endpoints in both Bid2Win CPQ and CRM systems. Implement authentication mechanisms, such as OAuth or API keys, to secure the data exchange. Middleware configuration. If using middleware, configure connectors and data flows to facilitate integration. 5. Test integration. Unit testing. Test individual components of the integration to ensure they work correctly. End-to-end testing. Perform end-to-end testing to verify that data flows smoothly between Bid2Win CPQ and CRM, and that business processes function as expected. 6. Monitor and maintain. Monitoring. Set up monitoring tools to track the performance and reliability of the integration. Ensure that any issues are promptly addressed. Maintenance. Regularly update integration components and configurations as needed to adapt to changes in either system. 7. User training and support. Training. Provide training for users on how to use the integrated systems effectively. Support. Establish a support mechanism to assist users with any issues or questions related to the integration. Why choose Pro Excellency for Bid2Win CPQ online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Bid to Win CPQ online training might be a good decision for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically offers training led by experienced professionals who have deep knowledge of Bid to Win CPQ and its applications. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and practical tips. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover a wide range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced features, ensuring that participants gain a thorough understanding of Bid to Win CPQ. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers online training, which provides flexibility in terms of time and location, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Hands-on experience. Their courses usually include practical exercises and real-world scenarios that help you apply what you've learned and gain hands-on experience. Certification preparation. If you're looking to get certified, ProExcellency often provides training that aligns with certification requirements and helps you prepare effectively. Support and resources. They typically offer additional resources such as study materials, forums, and post-training support to help you succeed. Positive reviews. Many users have found ProExcellency's training to be effective and beneficial, which can be a good indicator of the quality of their programs. Thank you.